I honestly never thought I'd be doing this so early in this comparison video. Watch number 4, and the brother is almost destroyed. I'm gonna say destroyed. I wouldn't be. I wouldn't be happy selling this. You might be happy selling this, but I know I wouldn't. So let's get to the comparison. Watch number 4. Let's go. So I'm starting with the Mimaki prints. This one's all right. It's not bad at all. It's not great either. All the white print pieces are coming up. See that? All the edge of the whites are coming up. I can literally just peel them off. And it's pretty much all the white pieces. They're all coming up. Some of the color ones are coming up, but it's not as bad as the whites. See? It's coming up in the blue. But it's not as bad. It's not remotely as bad as the white pieces. All right. This part it's coming up, but it's not coming up badly. So this is not bad. This is okay, but this is still wash number 4, right? It shouldn't be coming up in wash number 4. Now here's the brother. This stuff is destroyed. I don't care what you want to call that. That is destroyed. Okay? Watch the first video again. This is totally destroyed. This is not acceptable by no means of the imagination. This is probably the only decent looking one on here. This one is the only decent looking one on here. All right, everything else is destroyed. Every last one of them. All the other them is just destroyed. All of them, totally destroyed. All right, so I know I'm probably saying over and over again, but as you can see, they're destroyed. All of them. They're. Like I said, this is the only decent one, and as you can see, it's still pretty damaged. So, then this is the brother. Again, if you watch the first video, you'll see. Let me get to this one. This one is the one that's damaged for me. And yes, you have to literally pick a peep. I literally have to zoom in for you to see it. It's so minute, it's not even funny. It's like, there it is. And I have to literally tear the thing apart for you to even see it. There it is. It's damaged there. Okay, and here. But everything else is still the same. And it's all the black ones. They're coming up. They're kind of ripping. And I know why this is happening. I know exactly why this is happening, so I'm not too worried about this issue. All right, but this is the only thing that's damaged on here. Now let's get to the second one. Again, only thing that's damaged is that there's cracking on the inside. And as you can see, you can't even see it if you're not looking. If you're not looking for it, you'd never see it. But I'm gonna show you because I want to be fair. And you literally have to spread it apart to see it. See it? Can't really see it, but until you do this, then you can see it. All right. Now this, nothing, absolutely nothing's wrong with it. Not peeling up, not coming up, not cracking, nothing, and none of the edges are coming up. See, nothing. I can't find a problem with this one. Wash number 4. This is my Epson 8550. I'm gonna nitpick, and I'm gonna attempt to say the side of this is coming up. It's not, as you can see, the side's not coming up. I'm just gonna attempt to say it. But see, nothing. And if you remember, if you watched the first video, I destroyed this H. So that's not even, this thing is me, I did that. But see, absolutely nothing else. Nothing's cracked, nothing's damaged, nothing nowhere, not a damage in sight. All right. So, wash number 4. And that's the results. All right. Till next time. Peace.